In this section, we will learn how to audit an electricity bill in 5 easy steps. We will consider an Adani electricity bill for this exercise. Step number 1. Type of electricity connection. There are various number of electric connection. Prominent among them are: number 1, LT residence connection, single phase to 3 phase. Second is LT commercial connection. Third is ST commercial connection. This bill which we are analyzing is of LT connection, residence, single phase. Step number 2. To know the sanction load. It is important to know the load sanctioned by the electricity company. If your sanction load is less than the planned requirement, then you need to apply to the electricity board or the company to increase the sanction load. For example, your solar plant requirement is 10 kilowatt and your sanction load is only 6 kilowatt. Then you need to apply to the electricity board to get it sanctioned to 10 kilowatt. Step number 3. To design a solar power plant, it's important to know the annual consumption of your electricity bill. This electricity bill has 6 months consumption because it's a new connection. We can see that the total 6 months consumption for this electricity bill is 1333, and when this is divided by 6 months, we get a monthly average of 222 units. Step number 4. To calculate the actual electricity charges. In this example, we see that the fixed charges are 110 rupees. The wheeling charges are 324.99 rupees. This wheeling charge is the cost incurred by the electricity company to buy electricity from other companies. Here we can see that the total energy consumption charges are 808 rupees 95 paise. This is the actual energy charge for your consumption. We can also see the government electricity duty at 16%, which comes to 199.03 rupees. Additional to that, we can see Maharashtra tax, which is at 26.04 paise per unit, which comes to 53 rupees 90 paise. We can see that the total electricity bill is 1496 rupees 87 paise. Step number 5. Your total bill according to the tariff structure. Now, as you saw that your fixed charges are given as 110 rupees. When you look at this tariff structure, when your total electricity units are below 100, your fixed charges will be 70 rupees. But in this case, we can see that our units are 207 units. So 207 units, they come under this tariff slab, which is 101 to 300. So what happens is your fixed charges become 110 rupees. So this is the way they calculate your fixed charges. After this, you can see the wheeling charges are 1.57. So when you calculate 1.57 into 207, you get the wheeling charges of 324 rupees 99 paise. The energy charges are calculated as under. So as you know that your consumption unit is 207 unit. When you put your consumption under this slab 0 to 100, you get your charges are 2.9. So 2.90 into 100, that becomes 290 rupees. When you deduct 207 minus 100, the remaining is 107. So when you put under this slab 107 into 4.85, that becomes 518.95. So when you add 290 plus 518.95, you get the energy charges of 808 rupees 95 paise. So this is the way they calculate your electricity bill. Thank you very much.